The goal of the Amgen Scholars Program is to bring undergraduate students from across Canada to the University of Toronto to engage in cutting-edge research alongside scientific researchers and faculty members.
I think right off the bat, it was like a confidence boost of some sort that, okay, maybe somebody out there does find my current skill set valuable. Like, I feel like I had all this, maybe self-selected myself out of like, I don't know if I'm the right caliber for graduate school, like let alone a PhD. First generation to go to university, like this whole thing was a huge jump. I guess lo and behold, 5 years I'm here doing a PhD, so it's pretty cool to maybe see it full circle.
It was a great experience where I got to come to Toronto and perform research with great supervisors and grow myself professionally.
Through the program, I was able to gain my first experience of hands-on biomedical research. I was able to learn biolayer interferometry, nuclear magnetic resonance imaging, cellular culture, and protein purification.
I got to really experience the nuance and very complex multidisciplinary labs that they have here at Toronto, from basic science to clinical research, translational research. So I got to see a lot, even got to see a lung transplant, so my lab experience was amazing.
Being here too, with not only experiencing health research, but also our professional development and getting to meet so many amazing people from so many fields has really shown me what health research could look like, not only in my undergraduate degree, but in graduate degrees and beyond.
The Amgen Scholars Program really provides an opportunity for skills development. So not only in the lab are they learning new techniques, but also they're establishing communication skills, critical thinking, problem-solving abilities, and that enables them to carry those types of transferable skills into their future career.
This program is really great because it brings students from all across Canada. So it's really interesting to see how we approach our research. And I think it's really great just to have all these diverse perspectives all together.
Like myself, I come from a smaller institution, which I love, by the way, but there are less people and less connections you have the opportunity to make. So having the chance to come here and meet all these people, especially students, the future of science, it lets you get your foot in the door. It opens up so many opportunities for you.
You have your research, you have your professional development, but I'm definitely going to remember the social events so much as well.
I think one of my favorite memories was when we canoed to the Toronto Islands. And I love the Toronto Islands, they're so beautiful, but canoeing there was just such an amazing experience.
That is the ultimate team building experience. You really got to run together.
The amount of people I've met were super intelligent, super kind, and the opportunities I've had working in the lab, doing all these things that I otherwise wouldn't have a chance to, it's been stellar.
With the help of the Amgen Foundation, we're able to provide opportunities for these talented individuals to be exposed to new and innovative research projects that would normally not be funded.
Shout out to the Amgen Foundation.